Yeah, I turned 21 in prison, locked up at night. Now I walk around free, it seems like another life. Another roll with some other dice. Another hoe or a loving wife. People come and go, some really you never know. Intellectual midgets that really never grow. Fake love that hangs on like, can I hold you though? And old friends that look at you like, yo, yeah, I told you so. A toast to the broken hearted who never finished what they fucking started. People who go out and try to be a rebel at night, to try to make up for the fact that they settled in life. It's like a fight between the devil and Christ over the limelight. Spiritual celebrity poker, but the whole deck is full of jokers. And every year that you get older, the stakes get higher. Gambling with a bunch of fakes and liars. Real talk, cause the real New York is the pain and the suffering of lost love. Staring off into the distance in the midst of the club. Depression and emptiness that lead to suicide, and the struggle inside of yourself that keeps you alive. Surviving medicated, stalked by sobriety. The life you live now, tortured by memories violently. I pray inside of me